Gullah Geechee people don't, like any other group of people of any nationality in any nation, they don't just stay put on the island. Some have never left, but there are many who have a lot of knowledge, a lot of skills, a lot of technique and technical ability, just like our ancestors had. And that was much of the reason why we were kidnapped and captured from Al-Kebulan and brought over to the Sea Islands, was because of knowledge and skills. And that's one of the things that we really want people to understand on Gullah Geechee Gwine on. That aspect of our story. Because so often it is overlooked, the scientific knowledge that goes behind all of these things that African people not only produced, but that we continue to maintain. So it's not just about the music, it's not just about dancing, it's not about being a tool of entertainment, but about edutaining, educating, and definitely celebrating who we are down here. And so a lot of times, again, we don't stop and thank those who have kept the technological aspects of our abilities going forth. But we are definitely proud that, you know, you have maintained your roots of your cultural heritage, and that you understand that even being a Mississippi Geechee, you are one, you are still part of your own nation, the Gullah Geechee Nation. And we're thankful that you were blessed to say, well, I'm going to bring back my skills and bring them home, and make sure that our international festival is as seamless, as we would say, as possible. Because a good hand-sewn quilt, that's what it looks like. Like there are no seams until you get right up on it, real close and personal. And that's what we want you to be able to do, is get close and personal with us and with our folks that are going to be there this year, who are going to be educating about our culture, who are going to be presenting, who are going to be drumming, who are going to be dancing, who are going to be shouting, who are going to be sewing the quilts and everything. We want 100 children, but bring the whole family to we at this year with that Golden Hour celebration. So we thank all the 100 children, because for sure, if 100 ain't been know before, 100 know now that this year, the what going on. Peace and blessings.
Peace.
Strawberries! Yeah, strawberries!